So this is really a pretty typical situation for fall jigging for walleyes. You know, we're fishing around these weed lines and typically pretty shallow waters where we're catching most of these fish. But the equipment we're using is something that I pretty much use all year long if I'm gonna pitch light jigs near weeds. It's gonna be, you know, a longer rod, it's medium light action, fast tip. So a lot of backbone, fast tip. The details are really pretty simple. We're using a super line, you know, 10-pound Berkley Ultra 8 carrier, so you get a lot of feel. There's obviously some weeds. You want to be able to tell the difference between when a fish picks that jig up, because they're not necessarily smoking it, but you want to be able to feel that with that super line. And then it's tied directly to just a 10-pound fluorocarbon leader. Jig size, really pretty standard, 1/8 ounce, 3/16 ounce in the shallower water around the weed edges. So if you're gonna be coming up to the chip, you know, late fall time frame and targeting these weeds, your typical jigging setups, longer rod, medium light, fast action, get good hook sets, make sure you get all these fish to the boat. It's gonna help you out on the chip in the fall to put as many fish in the boat as possible.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.